Onboarding begins with the printing of a fast start QR code. Your supervisor or possibly your cat will handle this step. Next will be steps for you as a worker. Step 1. Open your camera and scan the QR code. Step 2. Go back to your camera. Take your tag. Scan the tag that you were given. Press the button at the top that looks like a camera. Get a good picture. Fill out your name. Fill out your company. Fill out your shift. This is going to be days or nights. Fill out what you're working on. Fill out your phone number. Create Lockout ID. Make sure everything looks correct. You're good to go.